Welcome back to Shooting Star News. I'm your host, Nick Sconia. In this episode, we'll explore the latest developments in our skies for October. A rare interstellar visitor brightening faster than expected, several comets that may grace the evening and morning skies, and two meteor showers offering mixed prospects. Let's begin with the headline story. A rare interstellar comet, 3I Atlas, is the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected. Detailed photos from the Vera C. Rubin Observatory released in July indicate its nucleus is roughly 7 miles wide, making it the largest interstellar object yet observed. It's brightening faster than predicted. In recent observations that show that 3I Atlas is brightening more rapidly than expected. A graph from the Comet Observation Database shows the comet's current brightness lies well above the line predicted for a typical comet at this distance. It has a growing tail and coma. The images from Gemini South Telescope on August 27th captured the first clear view of its tail, showing dust and gas being blown away as it nears the sun. The coma surrounding the nucleus is expanding, and astronomers expect the tail to grow dramatically as the comet gets closer. There is also going to be the Mars flyby with an observational campaign happening. On October 3rd, 3I Atlas will pass about 30 million kilometers from Mars. Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter's high-rise camera, ESA's CASSIS camera on the Trace Gas Orbiter, and the high-resolution stereo camera on Mars Express are scheduled to observe it during this flyby. The analysis of its trajectory suggests 3I Atlas originated from the Milky Way's thin disk. Early observations by NASA's TESS spacecraft show it was already active at distances of 6.3 to 5.5 astronomical units, likely because of hypervolatile materials, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, that sublimate at lower temperatures than water ice. Researchers note this behavior differs from most solar system comets, underscoring its alien composition. Perihelion and visibility with 3I Atlas will reach its closest approach to the Sun around October 29th. It will be on the far side of the Sun relative to Earth at that time, so observers may lose sight of it temporarily. After perihelion, it will head back into deep space, passing closest to Earth in December, at roughly 170 million miles. The key takeaways from this is that it's brightening quickly, it's developing a tail, and offers a unique opportunity for spacecraft observations during its Mars flyby. Its unusual composition hints at very different planet-forming processes in other star systems. Comet C 2025 R2 the SWAN, discovered on September 12th by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, SWAN is a long-period comet with an orbital period of about 22,554 years. SWAN will be nearest Earth on October 21st, when it will be about 25.1 million miles away. Predictions from comet experts suggest it will peak between magnitude 6 and 7 on the cusp of naked eye visibility. It may become a few tenths of a magnitude brighter around October 12th. The comet is currently best seen from the southern hemisphere, but will move northward, climbing above 12% above the southwest horizon in early October to 30% by October 28th. It will sweep through the constellations Libra, Scorpius, Ophiuchus, Serpens, Scutum, Sagittarius, Aquila, and Aquarius. The diagrams of SWAN's orbit led to speculation about a meteor shower in early October, but calculations show Earth and SWAN's paths are separated by about 7 million kilometers, too far for debris to intersect. Comet C 2025 A6 Lemmon The Lemmon, discovered January 3rd, reemerged in mid-August and was brighter than expected due to an apparent outburst. As of late September, it shines at around magnitude 8 to 9 and is visible through binoculars and small telescopes. Observers are optimistic it might reach magnitude +3 or even +2 by late October, potentially making it visible to the naked eye under dark skies. Photographers reported a knotted tail and greenish coma. Lemmon remains an early morning object for northern observers, drifting through the constellation Lynx between Jupiter and the Big Dipper. Comet brightness can be unpredictable. Some simulations suggest a bright display, but experts caution against assuming it will light up the sky. Comet C 2025 K1 Atlas. Perihelion for Comet K1 Atlas. It will reach its perihelion on October 8th, approaching the Sun closely and potentially brightening to magnitude 5 as it does. Because of its tight passage near the Sun, there is a risk it could break apart, which makes predictions uncertain. If it survives perihelion, it could be visible low in the dusk sky late in October, but observers should manage expectations. Now, let's talk about the October meteor showers. The Draconid meteor shower will be active between October 6th and 10th, with a predicted peak on October 8th at 19 UTC. The Draconids are unusual because their radiant in Draco is highest right after sunset. You'll see more meteors in the evening hours than after midnight. This year, the shower coincides with a waning gibbous moon, which will wash out fainter meteors. Under dark skies, observers might typically catch around 10 meteors per hour. Since the parent comet, 21P Jacobini-Zinner, passed perihelion in March, some astronomers speculate about a possible outburst, but there is no guarantee on that. The Orionid meteor shower is active between September 26th and November 7th, peaking on the night of October 20th and 21st. Viewing conditions with a new moon coinciding with the peak, viewing conditions are going to be amazing. It should be offering dark skies and should produce about 20 meteors per hour. They originate from Halley's Comet. The best time to watch is around 2 a.m. when the radiant in Orion is highest. October 25th offers a rich sky-watching lineup. Our interstellar visitor 3I Atlas is brightening rapidly and will be closely observed during its encounter with Mars. Newly discovered SWAN and fast-brightening Lemmon may provide binocular and possibly naked-eye views later in the month. At the same time, the Draconid and Orionid meteor showers give us reasons to look up on October 8th and October 20th to the 21st. As always, predictions for comets and meteor showers come with uncertainties. Keep checking reliable sources for updates, and if you're observing under dark skies, share your images and impressions with the community. That concludes this edition of Shooting Star News. Follow us for more updates as 3i Atlas continues its journey and as October's comets and meteor showers unfold. Here's wishing you clear skies.